Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of moving money between your business bank accounts. It might sound complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward once you understand the steps involved. Whether you're consolidating funds, paying off a loan, or just need to cover expenses in a different account, we've got you covered. First things first, you'll need to gather your account information. This includes the account numbers for both the account you're transferring money from, often called the source account, and the account you're transferring money to, which we'll refer to as the destination account. Make sure you have the correct routing numbers for each bank as well. You can usually find this information on your checks, online banking portal, or by contacting your bank directly. Accuracy is key here, so double-check everything. Next, decide on the method you'll use to transfer the funds. The most common options are through online banking, wire transfers, or using a third-party payment platform. For online banking, which is often the easiest and cheapest method, log into your primary business bank account. Navigate to the section that allows you to make transfers. This might be labeled as transfers, payments, or something similar. From there, you'll typically need to add the destination account as an external account. This often involves verifying the account by confirming small trial deposits that the bank will make into the destination account within a day or two. Once verified, you can initiate the transfer by entering the amount you want to move and scheduling the transfer date. If you're opting for a wire transfer, you'll generally need to visit your bank in person or initiate the transfer through their secure online portal, if available. You'll provide the bank with all the necessary account details, including the account number, routing number, and the name and address of the receiving bank. Keep in mind that wire transfers usually involve fees, so be sure to inquire about the cost beforehand. They are, however, generally faster than standard online transfers, especially for large sums of money. Finally, there are third-party payment platforms like PayPal, Stripe, or Venmo for business, which can be useful, especially if you're transferring money to a business that also uses the same platform. The process varies slightly depending on the platform, but generally involves linking your bank accounts to the platform and then initiating a transfer to the recipient's account. Be mindful of any fees associated with using these platforms, as they can sometimes be higher than traditional bank transfers. Also, double-check the daily or transaction limits that might be imposed by the platform. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your account statements to confirm that the money has been successfully transferred. It's always a good practice to reconcile your accounts regularly to ensure that all transactions are accurate. Also, remember to keep records of all your transfers for tax and accounting purposes. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.